Hey everyone. Sorry about the horrible audio, probably. I'm caffeinating right now. Figure since I always use a new power supply whenever I build a new computer. So I went with the Asus Thor. And it seems like it gets good reviews. The OEM on it's with Seasonic. So it should be a pretty decent power supply. It's supposed to be able to read out the wattage used. So it is sealed. Let's open this thing up. It's like Christmas. Yeah, these were another Black Friday item. So it's only 850 watts, but I'm only pairing it with the Asus AM5 motherboard, and it's going to have a 3070 and a few other miscellaneous items in it. So I think 850 watts should be plenty. Let's throw that in the trash bin there. Yeah, Asus, they've stepped up their game too, and from what I remember. Ooh, look at that. See that? Scoot that back a little. Case fan. Don't need that in the shot. Oh, look at this. Oh, this thing weighs a ton too. You can tell generally the good computer parts because they have some weight and mass to them. So I'm just gonna push this back so we can get this in the shot here. What do you get inside this? Remember, guys, I'd appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. You get a plastic bag. So you get a badge. You get some cable management stuff. Another reason why I got this is it's supposed to have cable mod cables. It's supposed to have a really nice set of cables with it. Of course, they give you a set of screws. Advertising. Yes, they gotta give you some advertisements. You get a book. I mean, our English section is, yeah, a few pages. That's it. And it gets into different languages. So it's not story time. Let's get rid of it. So, more cable ties. Ugh. I hope the audio is good on this. My microphone's dead. Wow. Decent power cord. That's a lot of the weight. Just toss this box out. Let's see what's in this bag. Ooh, might need the scissors. Got lots of plastic bags to cut open. Let's just dump that out. Oh, Hmm. Looks like I give you very good length. It's got to be for the RGB stuff, I'm going to assume. Which I don't really use the RGB stuff, so. But I have to say these cables look like they're pretty decent. Hey, well, it looks like a rubber band. Or part of a rubber band. Quality control. Oh yeah, they give you plenty long. GPU cable. Looks like another probably another cable for the RGB stuff. Maybe if I read the manual. But yeah, these are pretty decent looking cables. I guess these are what cablemod.com. I don't know. Looks like cable management might be simple, or is this a GPU cable? Yeah, those look like pretty nice cables. Oh, those don't look as nice. I see what they do. I get it, Asus. So that's why they give you a coupon for 20% off Cable Mod cables. Because all your SATA cables are the old vinyl coated crap. Great. Oh well. Interesting cable. Just gonna undo these because I'll be having to go through them. That's all you guys want to do is watch a video of somebody undoing twist ties. So I could talk about Elon Musk. I could talk about that Kanye West character. I could talk about Alex Jones. Oh man. You know, haven't been canceled myself. I do understand, you know, there is no redemption. I mean, you could literally commit murder and only serve a couple of years in prison. But, man, you get canceled by the, you know, woke liberals or by a financial institution like PayPal for, you know, selling a muzzle brake. You sell one of those, which is perfectly legal to own, and they say you violated their acceptable use policy and cancel you. And there's no redemption. So you just deal with it. You deal with the best as you can. Now, I've never even really listened to Kanye West, or Ye as they call him, but I just, when you get canceled and you have no platform to speak, you should be able to speak online. No matter if it's horrible, which I listened to the whole 3-hour interview and I really didn't find too much wrong with it. Which just that comment there will probably get me canceled off of YouTube, but I don't give a shit. Really, I don't. So, what's in this other box? Even though I'm building this computer to be able to stream and edit video, but there's other platforms, I guess, too. So, YouTube's not the only one. But wow, can you all see that? That looks pretty good. Ooh, form fitting. Look at that. Oh, you want to see the bag. I hope I'm not too loud on the camera mic, but I'm gonna deal with what I'm gonna deal with here. That's got some weight. Yeah, that's just a piece of foam in the box. Wow. That has some weight to it. I'm surprised, man. Sometimes power supplies, from these makers like Asus and Gigabyte, that they're generally hit or miss, but this is supposed to, I believe the OEM on it, Seasonic, made to Asus specs, so ROG Thor. Got plenty of I/O there, or plenty of power ports. So yeah, those little cables are for the addressable Aurora RGB. Probably not going to be using that. Guess this lights up, and this is supposed to be a power meter, give you wattage. So, not a gamer, but this is what you get in it. You get a whole bunch of cables and some other trash. So, well, I've wasted 15 minutes of your time. Have a good night. I'll make that 14 minutes now. So, see you on the next one.